Topic: Hope is the Thing with Feathers by Emily. Subtopic: Paraphrasing. Stanza 1. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. Paraphrasing. Hope is a bird that lives in people's hearts and sings an unending song without using any words. Stanza 2. And sweetest, in the gale, is heard, and sore must be the storm that could abash the little bird that kept so many warm. Paraphrasing. The sweetest song of hope is heard even in extremely strong wind. No hardship has ever occurred which could disturb this bird that kept so many people happy. Stanza 3. I've heard it in the chillest land and on the strangest sea, yet never, in extremity, it asked a crumb of me. Paraphrasing. I have heard the song of hope in the coldest places and in strangest oceans. This hope continues its song without any demand or reward. It never asks for the smallest piece of bread.